What has ski in, ski out access with 4 chairlifts right outside your door, gondola access to downtown Breckenridge, and a wealth of amenities all in the building? Join me today as we tour One Ski Hill Place, located here in the heart of Peak 8 at the Breckenridge Ski Resort. Here we are at the base of Peak 8 at the Breckenridge Ski Resort. And you probably already know that during the winter, you'll have immediate access to world-class skiing from 4 chairlifts right outside the door. In the summer, what you may not know is that as part of Epic Discovery, you will have access to a world of activities. This includes the Alpine Slide, the Gold Runner Coaster, a ropes course, the bungee trampoline, a climbing wall, and so much more. Hi, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group at eXp Realty, and today I'd like to take you on a tour of a property that I think just might have the most convenient ski access in all of Breckenridge. If you've been looking for a ski condo that also generates wonderful rental revenue, this just might be the one for you. Located at 1521 Ski Hill Road, One Ski Hill Place was built over the course of 2 years from 2008 to 2010. There are a total of 87 condos ranging in size from studio residences at 450 square feet all the way up to a 4-bedroom residence at nearly 2,300 square feet of living space. As you enter One Ski Hill Place, you'll enter on the garden level. On the garden level, you'll find the grand 4-sided fireplace, the front desk where you'll check in or your vacation rental guests will check in, and the stairs leading to this, the living room. This living room is a great communal space where everybody gathers after a day of play on the slopes. You can watch the kids ski down the mountain, great place to relax. There's a restaurant on one side, and you'll also have immediate access to the owner's ski locker next door. One of the unique features of One Ski Hill Place is that there is not one, but 2 separate ski lockers. One for your vacation rental guests so that they have a place to keep their skis, and this owner's ski locker. What's important about a private owner's ski locker? Well, if you happen to live in Colorado and you're only a day drive away, you can have rental guests in your residence paying your mortgage, and you can come drive in, park in the heated underground garage, and come up and access your ski equipment and step right outside to the slopes. Just outside the owner's ski locker, you will find access to world-class skiing by way of 4 chairlifts. You'll also have quick and convenient access to ski school and all of your rental gear needs. The 4 chairlifts outside your door include the Colorado Super Chair, the Rocky Mountain Super Chair, 5 Chair, and Rip's Ride, which is an awesome trail for beginners. Another one of the unique features of One Ski Hill Place is the Mine Shaft Bowling Alley. After a day on the slopes, this will provide so much fun and entertainment for everyone. Other amenities include the indoor pool and hot tub, the outdoor hot tub, a sauna and steam room, ski valet, and on-call shuttle service. Today, I'll take you on a tour of Residence 8308, which is a spacious 3-bed, 3-bath residence at nearly 1,500 square feet of living space. Located on the Continental Divide side of the building, the residence offers views over Cucumber Gulch all the way to Keystone. And what's amazing about this floor plan is there are 2 primary suites, each with gorgeous mountain views. One Ski Hill Place offers a very strong rental history, and it's located within the resort zone of the short-term overlay map, which means as a buyer, yes, you can apply for and receive a short-term vacation rental license. Well, that wraps up our tour of One Ski Hill Place, Residence 8308. For pricing, more information, or to schedule your private tour, please feel free to call, text, or email. My information is on the screen or in the link below. We look forward to helping you find and purchase your perfect dream condo on the slopes.